Over 60 species of plants are being cultivated on the rooftop of this supermarket in Brussels. Financed by the EU, the Lagum Project tries to find out whether these urban gardens are sustainable or not.
We look into the agronomic path of research, but also we look about the multifunctionality of this kind of project. So there is production, yes, but there is also trainings and awareness and cohesion of the social neighborhood.
Since March, more than 2 tons of fruits and vegetables have been harvested. The project aims to educate and involve local people in the whole process, especially those from underprivileged backgrounds.
We started to use it also with a social purpose. Refresh is a social restaurant and they use the production for the restaurant, but we started also to distribute that with, to the vulnerable people.
The experimental phase will last 2 to 3 more years. If proven to be sustainable, this method could be exported to other rooftops in Europe.
The work in the rooftop garden has just begun. The organizers have plenty of ideas. One of them is to channel the heat produced by the supermarket down below to these greenhouses behind me.